Shugor Nongïalam jong Nongsan Hima.
Menteri Rangba Kajelau Konrad Sangma Hanegasngi ula pentip bau Menteri Kampo Yeng ka Sorkar Pedeng Amit Shah unwan banyu kejat Shah Kajela haka khat nyu tarik bat khat pra tarik jong unaitung arhajar arpuai bat hakini ki arsngi iba undon ha Kajela unsabu ya ki mau nongrim na kabenta bun ki project ki balamang na kabenta Kajela Shushu ula yuturu bak Sorkar kalayo bun ki jingkerpat ban penbet ya kapor ban Ïakynduh ya Amit Shah ban nagliang jong ke Sorkar kalakarpat ban penbet ya kapor ban Ïakynduh rai hadu menta kimpat yo kano ke jing pentip la Ïakynduh ne em rai nagliang Menteri Rangba ukermen ba Amit Shah unsa pelaj por ban Ïakynduh yaki ban yakren halor bun kimat jong Kajela.
He will be here for 2 days and he'll be staying over here for 1 night. At the same time, in his visit, he will be having meetings with NESAC, that's the Northeast Space Agency. He will be also inaugurating 2-3 projects that have been set up here in Shillong area and in East Khasi Hills. He will also be having a meeting with the Chief Ministers of the Northeast, and in that meeting, Chief Secretaries and DGPs will also be present. Apart from that, he has got a visit that is going to take place to Sora, where he would be inaugurating one project there, and at the same time he will be starting another new project of tree plantation because there is a massive drive to ensure that the overall tree plantation coverage increases in Sora area. So these will be the official programs. And he also will be, we have also got requests from different organizations and groups who want to meet the Honorable Home Minister. So we have put in the request for them also and asked for time. We have not got a response yet, but I am very hopeful that he will give a positive response on that. So we're waiting for confirmation. And during those visits, during those meetings, I'm sure this discussion of different issues that are important to the state will be discussed in that meeting also. And obviously at my level also, I will be discussing these matters with the Honorable Home Minister, and we will see what response.